is equal to cos of pi over 4, and this is equal to root 2 over 2. So the thing is, without using a calculator, find the exact value, of cos 7 pi over 12. So it's up to you. You probably want to find out what is that. If, let us say, you feel intimidated, you probably want to find out what is that. Or you could think about adding 2 of these angles that you're seeing, because I'm going to highlight the angles for you. This is an angle. This is an angle. Those are angles in radians. There are angles in radians. You could think about which one of those I could add together that would have given me that. And you feel uncomfortable in your radians, but the question is in radians. What you can do, is take your time and find out what this is. Convert this to degree. All right. So it's going to be 180 over pi. Convert it to degree and see what you get. Convert it for yourself. Same thing as 105 degrees. Saying you could do this quickly to understand what you have. And then now you will think about, I need to put together 60 and 45. And you're like, yeah, that's 105. But at the same time, I want you to be able to relate to these. Watch. This is the same thing as a 60 degree. This is the same thing as a 45 degree. So you could see that adding them now, that's why people who feel comfortable working in radians, they would have just taken this. Look, they would say cos of 7 over 12 pi is a result of, or can be rewritten as, cos of pi over 3, right, plus pi over 4. You could see 7. You could see the 7 coming out, if you're working out a thing. Anybody know how to do cross multiplication quickly? Let me just highlight it. Cross multiply, doing a fraction, 4 times that plus 3 times that over 4 times 3. That's how you really do fractions, by adding. So you end up with 4 pi over there plus 3 pi over there over 12, and you're seeing that 7 pi over 12. You say, oh, so basically you're seeing that. But I'm just saying to you, if you want to avoid thinking in radians, nobody will crucify you to convert your radians to degree for yourself and understand that these are what you're putting together. But at the same time, you want to be able to relate to understand that the 60 degree is the same thing as pi over 3, and the 45 is pi over 4. You're still going to have to come back to that at the end, because they do want their answer. I mean, they do present the scenario in a certain way. So cos of 7 pi over 12 is the same thing as, so you're going to put together the addition idea. So you write this for them. Cos of pi over 3 plus cos pi over 3 cos pi over 4. And when you add, you know that the subtraction comes in. Sine pi over 3 times the sine pi over 4. All you're going to know is to look for the values, whether on the triangle or what they are given. Cos pi over 3 is a half. We have that. You're multiplying this by cos pi over 4. We have that. It's root 2 over 2. Minus sine pi over 3. You have that. That is root 3 over 2. Sine pi over 4. You have that. It is root 2 over 2. This one would have given you root 2 over 4. And this one would have given you root 3 times root 2 over 4. You can simplify it, up to you. You would have gotten one common denominator, root 2 minus root 3, root 2 over 4. That's an answer. Or you could go further, factorizing out the root 2, and then you would have gotten that. Yeah. So this is good. Let me mark it. That is okay. Or I was saying that you could have represented it like this from the beginning. That's fine. That's it. Or you can represent it like this as well. They take it. Any one of those three